In this next video, I'm going to show you some of the changes that we've made in our frequent buyer plan. Some of the changes that I'll be talking about will be reward stacking, some of the POS dialogues on the screens, and the Manage Frequent Buyer Rewards tab on the Manage Customer screen. The first item that I'm going to talk about is reward stacking. Rix Enterprise now supports the ability to earn and redeem multiple frequent buyer rewards on a single ticket. This feature is available by default, but it can be turned off using the Allow Multiple Rewards per Ticket option on the Setup Settings page. Rix Enterprise creates frequent buyer rewards as soon as a customer reaches his or her plan breakpoint. If the graduation plan is set in the frequent buyer plan setup, the customer immediately graduates to the next frequent buyer plan and begins accumulating towards the next plan. The reward will remain available for the customer to claim on subsequent tickets if it is not claimed on the current ticket. If the customer accumulates multiple rewards, they can be used together on a given ticket with certain restrictions. Number one, the maximum reward amount available for a given ticket is determined by the plan settings of the plan on which the reward was earned. This has more to do with your settings in the frequent buyer plan, things that you have set up if you have maximum discount percent set, the accumulating classes that you have set up, and if you have it set up for full price only, and those types of things. Number two, percent off rewards may not be combined on a single ticket. Number three, rewards earned from different plans may not be used together on the same ticket. This is because it is too complex to determine the qualifying ticket amount when considering multiple plans at the same time. And number four, the total reward cannot be more than the amount due on the ticket. So those are the restrictions. So now I'm going to show you on the POS menu what the POS dialog looks like when we ring up a ticket. So this current customer is on the frequent buyer plan of buy $250, get $25. So they have to spend $250 to get $25 off. So I'm going to go ahead and scan several items. So now you'll see here in a second that the user interface for claiming rewards has changed. When a user goes to the Ticket Detail tab and the customer has an outstanding reward or has just earned a reward with the current ticket, they will now see the following dialog. The user can choose which rewards, if any, to apply on the ticket by checking the box for each reward. The user can only apply rewards from one plan at a time, which is why the rewards are grouped by plan. If the customer has rewards from multiple plans available, the different plans will show up in the radio button list in the upper portion of the dialog. Once the user has applied the rewards, they will appear on the ticket as coupons, just as they always have. So now you'll see that that coupon has been applied on the ticket. The last thing on this video that I'm going to show you is the Manage Frequent Buyer Rewards tab on the Manage Customer screen. In the Manage Customer screen, there is now a new tab called Frequent Buyer Rewards. This allows the user to see a list of all of the frequent buyer rewards for a given customer, along with their values and expiration dates. The tab will only show up if frequent buyer is enabled in that organization. So here it will display their plan, the rewards, the original amount, what date they were earned on, and when they expire, if you have expiration dates. Based on permission, a user can delete a frequent buyer reward using the Manage Customer screen by clicking the Delete button next to each reward. The Alert Center message will come up stating, this will delete the frequent buyer reward earned on that particular date. Are you sure you want to delete this reward? If you do, you'll click on Yes. This concludes the video on reward stacking, some of the POS dialogues, and the Manage Frequent Buyer Rewards tab in the Manage Customer screen. Be sure to check your Rix Enterprise menu for the other videos on the new changes on the Frequent Buyer Plan.